YouTube! What is good, my peoples? We are back at it again, man. Coming with another screen protector video for the Note 9. So what I got here is the Otao screen or glass screen guard. This is the old version, which is why it's ripped over, and then this is the new version I just got sent to me. And I'm gonna do an unboxing, let you guys see what it looks like, and give you my first impressions on it. This is probably about my third screen protector I put on this thing. Matter of fact, yeah, like I say, they keep sending me these, but they keep doing the same thing, which is this right here. As you can see, it's bubbling in the corners, like all around. This thing is it's separating, and then eventually this will come down to the whole screen and you have a big old bubble with separation. So I talked to the guys, they said they have a new version out and they sent me this one, so I figured I'd give it a try, let y'all know what I think, and see if it's any difference or going to be promising compared to this bubble magnet here. I mean, yeah, I'm so tired of putting these on. This is like I said, my third or fourth screen I put on already. So let's take a look and see what this one does. So first thing first, I'm gonna peel off this old one. Look how easy that comes off. Nice. One thing I noticed is I had the white stone dome glass as well. Man, that glue is strong. When you peel it off, you most likely will be cracking it because the glue is very strong. But the phone is almost in brand new shape. I mean, looks very clean. So let's get this opened up, see what this looks like. Handy dandy unboxing knife. I found the dullest knife in the house again. This side down here. Oh man, it's hard to do behind the camera. There we go. So same packaging as before. Now that's different. A tray. Okay. Protector accessories. What we got here? Cloth. Nice. Wet wipe. Cleaning it. Sticky for dust. And then this is nice. An actual tray to line it up. I like that. And then your usual manuals and stuff. I mean, it's pretty much going to be like all the other times I put it on, so I'm not going to go through that. But yeah, so let's get this baby cleaned up, get it sanitized. Man, this wipe is not very wet. I mean, there's a little lube on there, but it ain't nothing heavy. I still prefer regular tape over this, but I don't have a tape right now, so this is what I have to do. Looking good, people. Looking good. Alright. So, you know, one thing I noticed is this did not have the glue in it. What's it say? Note 9. Yep. See, there's a sign right there that says up, and then there's a spot down here that says Note 9. Probably won't focus because it's very small, but down there it says Note 9. So, slap that guy on there. So this is a little different. I was expecting to have to use oh, they went with just the adhesive style, that's why. So So this is gonna be the one that has that little dots in there, and it just sticks to the top and bottom. They went away from the actual adhesive. So yeah, you're not gonna mess this up. So firm press. That's not a bubble, it's just light. Firm press it down. Get the sides. So yeah, you won't have any glue issues with this one, that's for sure. I'm just wondering how the sensitivity is gonna be. Take it off. Boom. Here it is. Perfect. Very nice. Let's see, the fingerprint. Look at that, fingerprint's not bad, so that's looking good. Let's see how the sensitivity is. Power this guy up. Make sure our cutouts are good. As you can see the camera, cutouts are good. Speaker's good. Then I've been rocking with the Samsung Note 9 case for a minute, just because I like the kickstand. Take my cases pretty much like every week, so this one's in rotation this week. And then I put a link to this case and the screen protector down below, so if you guys want to check them out, you can. Slap her in. No issues with this case. I don't think y'all see really any issues with any case. Yep, that's right. I got the Goku in the background. Shout out to all my Super Saiyan fanboys. We out there. I know y'all saw the Broly movie. It was lit. But yeah, back on task. Man. Looking real good. Alright, let's check sensitivity. Hold on, people. Looking good. Let's do a swipe down. Looking good. Oh yeah, sensitivity's there. I don't see no lag issues. Let me get the pen out real quick. See how the pen does. Boom. You know what? Let's just do some. Oh, hold on. We don't want that. Let's just do some drawing real quick. Oh yeah. I don't see no lag with the pen. Oh yeah, man. Normally I don't like these kind that stick to the top and bottom of the screen, because you always have that little gap on some of them, but so far this is not bad. If any issues arise with this, man, I'll update you guys, but I'm liking it so far. I don't have to worry about that ultraviolet light and sitting there waiting for 20 minutes for it to heal and waiting overnight and worrying about it popping up. But yeah, one of the issues in the past would be with these is if you dropped your phone, these guys are used to just pop off because they literally stick to the top, the sides, and the bottom. So yeah, man. Let me know what you guys think. If you have the screen protector, if you had any issues with it, let me know below so I can know ahead of time. Or if you love it, man, just let me know. Or what you have. Yo, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like my stuff, man. If you got any comments, comment. And if you do your boy a favor, subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.